Using a smartphone to capture special moments and share them in social network has become a modern lifestyle. However, shooting videos with your smartphone during movement is never easy. The footages are always shaky and blurry. Therefore, Gimbal stabilizer was invented to solve this problem. As Snoper, we're always looking for new solutions to create a really powerful and convenient filming device. After 12 months of hard work, we're proud to introduce the Atom. Atom comes with Snoper's unique non-orthogonal structure, which prevents the side motor from blocking the phone. The unique arm structure allows Atom to be folded into the size of your palm. You can keep it in your bag or even in your pocket. Mounting the phone on Atom is extremely fast. Put your phone in the middle of the holder, just like the way you would on a selfie stick. Atom weighs only 440 grams, so your arms won't be tired after long hours of shooting. Atom is lightweight, but strong enough to support up to 310 grams, which is the best in its class. This allows you to attach a high-quality but heavy lens to drastically improve the filming experience. To flip the orientation, just assign the movement to a button or flip it manually with your hands. Atom is the first gimbal to enable filming and charging at the same time. With Atom, you can even charge your phone wirelessly or use the provided cable to charge without messy fiddling. Atom is the first to include a mic jack inside the gimbal body, which allows people to connect an external high-quality microphone. We've designed a set of control buttons that better meet different filming requirements. The four-way joystick allows you to manually control the camera movement. The shutter button controls the start and stop recording and taking photos. The menu button allows you to call up the pop-up menu in the app. The customizable buttons on the left and the back allow you to assign the functions by yourself. The slide button can be used to control zoom or focus. With the Atom app, people can get more control over their shooting methods. You can use the joystick to select among various photo modes and video modes. In the gimbal setting panel, you can freely assign preferred functions to the customized button just the way you like it. In addition to smartphones, the Atom also supports action cameras like GoPro Hero series. With Atom, we want everyone to be able to get the smoothest mobile filming experience, so you can capture all your memorable moments.
Introducing the DualFuel, your new pocket powerhouse. Because we've all been there, dead in the water when you need your tech the most. DualFuel is a portable battery charger for all of your devices, all inside a compact, flameless lighter. No matter where you are, it'll bring you back to life. With an inbuilt smart timer, the flameless coil cuts out when you've finished, stopping fire hazards before they can even begin. With a supercharged 1200 milliamp hour battery, you can charge through your day for multiple uses. At just 6 by 4 centimeters and weighing less than 90 grams, the DualFuel is a seamless addition to your everyday carry. With both regular USB and USB-C ports, you can keep all your portable devices fueled. Never worry about being stranded again with a constant lifeline to your smart tech. With the flameless coil that works at any angle, the search for lighter fluids and the pain of burns are over. Now you can breeze past those embarrassing last-minute fumbles and finish every night on a high. DualFuel. Take charge of your life.
Storage space should never get in your way. That's why we made GoSpace. GoSpace is a portable, wireless hub that frees up space on your devices. The GoSpace app works as a bridge between your devices, SD cards, and the cloud. A 5G wireless connection ensures fast transfer speeds and allows for up to 8 devices to connect for secure transfer between friends. Connect to cloud services like Google Drive or Dropbox, or just swap out SD cards and achieve unlimited storage. It connects with iOS, Android, Mac, or PC to maximize compatibility. You can charge your device wirelessly with a USB-C port or standard USB. Free your files with GoSpace.
Washing helps prevent the spread of dangerous bacteria. But you can't wash everything, so how can you be sure the items you use every day aren't contaminated with bacteria? Introducing the Neost Portable Sterilizer, a lightweight and compact device that uses 3 powerful UVC lamps to remove 99.99% of bacteria from the surface of everyday items. The Neost sterilizes and kills bacteria in 3 minutes, and it turns off automatically when sterilization is complete. The wide sterilization area fits most items. Extend the legs of the Neost to expand the sterilization area to sterilize larger items. The Neost is convenient and easy to use everywhere. Use it to clean utensils and other items when standard cleaning methods aren't available. Eliminate the fear of bacterial contamination by sterilizing with the Neost. The Neost also lets you sterilize multiple items at once. Neost is perfect for cleaning all the things you use day to day, but never really have time to clean. The Neost folds down into a convenient travel size. It can be carried in handbags, backpacks, and travel bags. The included smartphone holder turns the Neost into a tripod for your smartphone. The built-in 4800 mAh battery keeps your smartphone charged as well. The Neost can also be used as a hand grip so you can take better-looking pictures and videos. The Neost Portable Sterilizer is the easiest way to remove bacteria from your everyday items and power your smartphone on the go. Neost. Be fresh in every moment.
This is VEVO. In tech speak, it's a smart interactive pod for your smartphone photography. In plain English, it's just an awesome turning awesomeness. It's not going to make your life better, but it is going to let you be insanely creative with your photos and videos. Here's how. VEVO can follow you as you move.
We always start with sanding.
With both front and back cameras. So now your video blogs look pro.
Secret for a perfect cake is all in the ingredients. Oh, I forgot the cream.
It can also follow objects like your moonwalking shoes or your sock puppet Sylvester Stalsock. Adrian! Not the right movie. VEVO partnered with Restream, so whatever you shoot, with VEVO you can go live on over 30 platforms at once, so all your followers can enjoy your sock. VEVO has a lot of quick creation modes. This is Versus mode. Good for rap battles.
My name drops in, you can kiss my feet.
Yo, whatever.
But also for this.
I'm here with my boo.
Who's that guy?
What guy?
This is Mini-Me. For a shot with Mini You. Even of you coming to hug you but being blocked by you while you look at the entire thing laughing. Man, you're a jerk to you. This is a mode called Perfect Panorama. You know, so there's no this. Ouch. This is Double Take. for videos of everyday bummers, or for when you want to express how you feel about your diet. This is flash mode. Go long, Sylvester. And this is 50-50, where 50% of the screen is still, 50% video, and 100% nice. And there's also Tiny Planet and Motion Time-Lapse. It's time-lapse, but with motion. Move it, people. And with the VEVO tray, you can use turntable mode for 360 product shots or to lick ice cream evenly. VEVO can work by snapping your fingers, saying cheese, with a remote, and of course with the app, because it's smart, like you. VEVO is for YouTubers, speakers, comedians, wannabe comedians, content creators, photographers, sock puppets, wannabe sock puppets, and just people. Now it's up to you. Get VEVO. Be creative. Insanely creative.